Alright, this video is about how to use a 9-box and matrix maker add-on in Google Sheets. This video assumes you've already installed it. If you haven't yet, we'll put a link in the description and up on the screen right now for how to install it. But since we have it in the side panel of the browser, we'll left click on it. The sidebar comes up and this is where all of your controls are. And now we'll step through the process. You need to make a template, so that's step one. And we'll click on that. And that gives you this starting template with an example in it. This is where you list your employees and then a number 1 through 3 for their performance and their potential. So for now, we'll delete this extra piece of information. We'll show you that a little bit later. And we'll grab some example employees. We'll copy them. And paste them in the column that has the name header. And then you can fill out your criteria here. So I'll just do this quickly with a random number generator, but obviously you're going to want to put your actual numbers in here. Okay, so once you have all the numbers here, you're ready to go. So we'll come over here, we'll click on Make a Matrix. And it generates all of this for you automatically from the list that you gave it. And this could be your end product. So if you want a different size matrix, or if you want multiple matrices at once, let's go over how to do that. So we'll say the group would be finance and operations. So we'll put a few of those in here. We'll just disperse them evenly for the sake of illustration. So you have two different departments, two different 9 boxes, and we'll say for the performance, we're going to do 5 levels, so more than a 9 box. We'll make that change. And you can also customize the level names if you want. They're already pre-filled out for you here with a suggestion. And now we have some room for some extreme performers here, right? So let's make Aubrey a 5. And we'll click on the matrix again. So 2 more will come up in the larger matrix. We'll have Aubrey as the outlier. And if you look at the bottom, now there's a worksheet for finance and one for operations. This add-on comes with a 7-day free trial, and the pricing from there is listed in the description of the video. If you have any questions on how to use the add-on, be sure to get a hold of me. I'll put the contact link in the description of the video as well. Thanks for watching.